Good morning. I am William Humble, and today I will be talking about the gross, technical, and economic potential assessment for photovoltaic energetics. If you observe the first slide, you can see how photovoltaic and thermal solar powers compare in regards to conversion. So what are photovoltaic energies? Photovoltaics are the branch of technology concerned with the production of electric current and at the intersection of two substances. Photovoltaic panels convert thermal energy into electricity. Solar panels convert solar radiation into heat, which is then converted to electricity. So the purpose of this study is to explain and understand how to make solar energy economically competitive, as well as searching for improvements in efficiency and associated costs for photovoltaic cells. The area for technical potential calculation may exceed the Earth's surface thanks to the development of IPV, largely BIPV and BAPV. This means that the technical potential and possibly the economic potential may be greater than the gross potential. Here you can see a general diagram concerning calculation logic for determining gross, technical, and economic potentials. We'll hang tight for a second so that you can review this slide, as well as I can email a copy after the presentation is completed. The two graphs show critical values of annual generation by PV systems based on planar silicon PV modules with inclination of module active surfaces at the optimal angle, and relevant values of economic potential, economic surplus potential, or delta EP, of solar energy for the photovoltaic energetics of the island of Olcon, subject to different service lifetimes of PV systems. This second set of graphs show critical values of annual generation by PV systems based on CPV modules, with continuous tracking of the sun, and relevant values of economic potential and economic surplus potential, or delta EP, of solar energy for the photovoltaic energetics of the island of Olcon, subject to different service lifetimes of the PV systems. So this work applies the tested assessment program for the potentials of solar energy in large and medium areas. This includes up to 200 kilometers squared, or 200 square kilometers. It also may be useful with any software concerning the assessment of potentials for more accurate determination in longer term. Assessment presents the notion that the region is economically justified for donor of electric energy from the sun, with service lifetime of PV systems exceeding 7 to 10 years for the range of standard operational costs of Y equals 0 minus 0.05 divided by a year.